If you want to change the email on Telegram, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your login email on Telegram using the desktop app on your PC, so you can do it quickly and without confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it easy to follow from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you begin, because you'll be updating the email connected to your Telegram login settings. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the app and click the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu and it gives you access to your account settings and other options inside Telegram. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll find the account and privacy controls for your Telegram profile. Inside Settings, choose Privacy and Security. This section contains the important security options for your account, including login and verification settings. Now look for Login Email and click it. This is the option that allows you to manage the email address linked to your Telegram login. If you're changing to a new email, this is the section you need. Next, click Change Email. Telegram will now prompt you to enter the new email address you want to use. Carefully type in your new login email, cheats, and make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because this is where Telegram will send the verification code. After entering the new email, click Confirm. Telegram will then send a code to the new email address you just entered. Open your email's inbox, find the message from Telegram, and copy the verification code. Go back to Telegram and enter the code exactly as it appears. Once you submit the code, Telegram will verify your new email and complete the update. After that, your login email will be changed successfully, and that's it. You've now changed your email on Telegram using the desktop app on your PC. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and now you can keep your account details up to date. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.